Catch that sneeze. Ever wondered why it happens? A sneeze is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose or throat. When these invaders tickle the lining of your nasal passages, your brain sends a signal to get rid of them. It's a powerful process, launching air and particles at a speed of about 100 miles per hour. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body being a superhero, battling against the tiny villains that try to invade. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, if you found this intriguing, do remember to hit the like button and share this video. And for more such interesting insights, subscribe to my Cardio Guru. Keep your curiosity alive, and remember, your body is a wonderful machine.